Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how I achieved this ombre crochet Senegalese twist braid wig. Yes guys, I just love the color of this wig. I decided to play with a little bit of color, not every time black. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful braid wig, do not go away, keep on watching. So this is my mannequin, and this is the kind of wig cap I'll be using for my wig. This wig cap is actually very easy to do crochet with, and because it is very light wig cap, I'll be doubling it, meaning I'll be using 2 of it to make this wig. Do not mind the holes in this wig cap, it is kind of old and they will all eventually cover up after I install the braid.
Carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow.
So this is the ombre Senegalese twist braid. I bought just 4 packs and it came with this free crochet pin and some hair design. Where the 4 packs I realized that it won't be enough, so I did a DIY twist braid on my own and added it. I did black. Now let's get started.
The DJ play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then, and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Ha. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Na 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 na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up pay me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay.
So guys, remember I used double wig cap, so I had to tack them down together so they don't shift. That is what I'm doing here right now with a needle and thread. I will tack it all around.
She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me pay chichi. She looking very hot.
So now I want to tack in the lace front at the front parts.
See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me, in the house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me. Hey, they carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
So this is how I will be making the front part, I mean the closure part. I'll be using a needle and thread to tack it down. I didn't use the crochet pin because it might tear that lace closure, which is very tiny. So this needle and thread works perfectly well for me to tack it down. You can use the crochet pin if you want, whatever works for you, but this works for me better.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine westerner. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha! She feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me? Pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah. Ginger me. In the house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing, she hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing.
So what I'm doing here is trying to blend the lace to the color of my scarf. So this is the inside of the wig. I will have to cut out the lace.
For a bad man, she be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow.
So darlings, our braid wig is ready. I am not an expert at this, but I know I do try. And this particular wig is very light. It is not heavy at all because I made sure it wasn't too full. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.